Today we are looking at a completely reconditioned Sudenga M500 small batch mixer. This unit has been brought into the shop, completely reconditioned with all new bearings. Drive components were cleaned, checked, and inspected, replaced if needed. Unit has the rack and pinion discharge gate, discharging at approximately 18 inches. This unit is single phase, 110 volt or 230 volt. This unit could be switched to 3-phase at the expense of the buyer. You can pause the video here for pertinent data on the motor data tag. Everything on this unit has been checked out. The unit is ready to go out and perform like a new one. See the paddles going around in there just as they should. The unit has good wipers. Machine is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and milling equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.